Okay, guys, you know, when I get my glasses on, no. Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you comment down below. Let me know how your day is going. Welcome back to our family. So, you read from the title, we are going to be unboxing the August 2020 Slay Glam Box. This is a little bit different. This is a $24 a month makeup subscription box. I do have a discount code that will save you 10% off your first box. And it looks a little different, don't it? So this usually comes in like a little package and kind of looks like a pocketbook, but this was the mailer bag, and once I cut it, we had another mailer bag. So I opened it up to take it out, and it's not in here. It is in some bubble wrap. So if you want to see what we got in this month, is it worth it, and what my thoughts are, then keep on watching. Alright, before I begin, let's talk about yesterday's community post, and if you follow me on Instagram on my stories. If you're not following me on Instagram, you need to. I get a little bit more personal, and every night I do these filter fest on Instagram stories. So check it out. But anywho, I did a Poshmark makeup mystery box. That was my last video that I did. I'll leave it down below if you want to check it out. So I did it. I paid $100 for that box. Well, it came to $114 with shipping. And I posted a little receipt on how much I paid for it. Well, I did not know that on the top right had the seller's closet, Poshmark closet. Well, if you watch that video, you know that box with a dud. It was $100, guaranteed to have $200 worth of value. I don't even think I had $90 worth of value in there. So it was just a terrible box. And because of that, and I also stated that she lived in the same state as me, because before I opened it, you guys know I'm very biased when it comes to YouTubers or companies that live in Jersey. I am for like my fellow Jerseyans. So I was excited and I wanted to promote her business. And then when I opened it, it was not good, you know. I don't know. So a few of you guys are slick. You've seen it and put some in the comments, which I didn't know. I didn't see it. And all of a sudden, I get a email from YouTube that she put a privacy violation on me, and also through Poshmark, because I said what state she lived in and I had her closet on there. Well, I knew YouTube was going to side with me because it is a public business, meaning I didn't give her like government name, her home address, anything that would identify to her, just what's public, you know. And I guess she was getting some hate. She claimed that she was getting cyberbullied. And she also said that somebody vandalized her business. And she put it on me. That it seems fishy after I make my video, she got vandalized. Now, here's my thing. How can her business get vandalized when all I did was have her Poshmark closet? Didn't have her name. There's over 8 million people that live in New Jersey. To pinpoint her out and her business, come on. So she was insinuating that I was giving her address, which was a lie, because once before I did the video, I took off the sticker. So you seen it was a plain white box. Anywho, I did take the video down last night and I blurred out where it had that. That way, just in case she did get hate, which again, there was no proof. She didn't show me any police report because she said she contacted local authorities of being vandalized, and she didn't show me anybody that was harassing her. But just in case if it was true, I did blur it out. So YouTube got back with me today and said that I didn't violate anything and that I could leave my video up. I didn't have to blur anything out, but I did it anyway. So if you were wondering why my video was down and then back up this morning, that is why. And all over a mystery box that I feel I got done wrong. So that's what happened. It's kind of like me now unboxing Slay Glam Box, right? And I didn't like it. And I said, oh my God, this box is horrible. And then Slay Glam Box go to YouTube and say, I didn't give her permission to say that my company's name. I mean, you just can't do that because she's a public company. Okay, anyway, I'm getting off of that. I just wanted to keep you guys updated. And I got a lot of DMs about what happened. So I just wanted to tell you that really quickly. Now, let's get into the Slay Glam Box. All right, like I said earlier, it is $24 a month. And for the month of August, it's supposed to be an all palette month. So here is what it is. There is no card in here, but I'm going to look on my phone and look up prices for everything. So I'll be right back. All right, the first thing I'm seeing is by Beauty Treats. This is a Blush and Go palette. This retail values for $9. So it's taped up. Let me open her up so I can do some swatches. All right, so that's what it looks like. It is, what shade you be? What you be? Just says Blush and Go Blush Powder. I'm not sure if there's a shade or what, but let's open her up. All right, and that's what she looks like. Very pretty colors. They are like pinky, some peach tone. There are 4 shades, and then in the middle is like a deep shade. All right, so that's just going in one time. And I'm sure it's definitely buildable. I always say I enjoy powders that are like this, and then you can build it up. Because sometimes I go in ham, and it's like, whoa. You know, so I'd rather that I can build it up. Okay, so this next thing is this Bellapierre Cosmetics Peach Blossom Eyeshadow Palette. And this is saying it's $25. Bellapierre is very expensive. I do not think it's worth the price, and I would never pay $25 for this. So it has a mirror, and for 4 shades, never. But I mean, their contour palette is like $50. So let's do some swatches. I do love the peach colors. I do love it. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Yeah, the payoff is definitely not worth $25. I mean, she's there. Don't get me wrong. But I just personally wouldn't pay $25. But I'm glad it's in a subscription box. So I don't mind, you know, getting that. Okay, the next thing is this Oakland Liquid Metal Eyeshadow. And this values at $10.99. It has a little piece of tape here. So this doesn't come with a mirror, and it does have this little thing here. Now, it looks a little funny, but that's because these are pressed liquids. They're liquid eyeshadows. So they will look a little different because it's not a powder. So I'm excited to swatch and see. Ooh, they kind of feel like the ColourPop Super Shock Shadows. That's what they feel like. Oh, that's gorgeous. Okay. Ooh. Now, see, I would definitely buy this for $10.99. Look at that right there. What? All right, I got a couple more to swatch. All right, these are the last 2. Wow. That's good. This one, let me swatch again. Let's see. That is gorgeous for $10.99. Yes. I never heard of liquid metal eyeshadow, like liquid eyeshadow, like pressed. All right, love that. They're all shimmer shades. It's not a matte. They're just like ColourPop Super Shock shadows, but they will be good for your lid. Love that. All right, so I think we have 2 more things left. All right, so this is from Hikari. This is an eyeshadow palette. It's called the Butterfly Effect. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, that packaging is pretty. Okay, so it doesn't have a mirror. And look at the colors. Very pretty. I'm not going to swatch this because you guys know I'm moving. I say it almost every video. And I have so many eyeshadows palettes that I probably won't reach for this. Maybe a couple shades in here. Let me see how much it's trying to say that it is, though, because Hikari can be expensive as well. Okay, guys. You know, when I get my glasses on, $53. No. I would never pay $53 for this palette. Let me see. No. I mean, even if they were the best eyeshadows in the world, I don't think I'd pay $53 for this. No way. No, ma'am. But like I always say, I'm glad that it is in a subscription box because I'm not really paying $53. All right, so this will go in a future giveaway. All right, last but not least, we have this Be a Bombshell. This is in the shade Bold, not Bald, Bold. And it is an eyeshadow palette. Let's see how much this is. Okay, so this is $16. Oh my God. Let's see. So it looks like that, and on the back it has there the bold one. God, I can't get it open. Oh, that's pretty. So it has a nice mirror. It comes with these little things, and right there. So I will swatch this because that green is calling my name. Let's see. Here are 3 shades, very chalky, extremely chalky. Ooh, God, it's got me stuttering. Let's see. Let me go in again. I mean, it's okay. You know, swatches don't mean anything. I can go in on the eye and they're beautiful. Then again, they can kind of swatch like this and you'll put it on the eye and the crease and it's not good and everything like that. So I'll have to try it. We'll see. I don't know about that. All right, let me get this off my hands. All right, so let's recap what we got in the August box. So we have an eyeshadow from Be a Bombshell. We have, this is probably my favorite thing right here from Oakland, and it was $10.99. And then we have the Peach Blossom eyeshadow palettes. The color's pretty. I'm glad to get it. I would never pay $20-something for that, though. Oh, heck no. No, ma'am. We have a blush palette. I'm glad it's all different colors. I definitely will use it. These are definitely my shades. I don't know about this one, but if you're darker complected than me, you definitely can use it. So I'm not mad at that. This is just gorgeous, but $53? I wouldn't pay that, but I'm very happy that it is in this subscription box. And is that it? Let me see. Yeah, so that is everything. I will leave right around here the total for this month. It is supposed to be over $100, and it definitely is because this is $53, this is $25, this is $10.99. I mean, it's over $100. So let me know what your thoughts. I'm glad that it's all palettes month. I mean, is it like out of this world? I'm so excited I'm peeing my pants. No, but I'm actually satisfied with this month's box. Let me know what you got. Do you get Slay Glam? Were you satisfied with this month's box? Were you expecting a little bit more? Let me know down in the comments below. Let me know all the tea. And that is everything, guys. Don't forget, I do have a few giveaways that end on the 31st. I did have a money giveaway that ended already the other day. I have to pick those winners. I'll either pick it tonight or first thing tomorrow morning. I've been really busy lately because my son starts school in another week, so getting everything together. I've just been really busy, but it will be by either tonight or tomorrow. I'll leave all the giveaways that are still open down below, so make sure you check them out. And that's everything, guys. If you like these type of videos, if you like subscription boxes, mystery boxes, hauls, reviews, then please consider subscribing to our channel. I would love for you to join our family. Please give this video a like. It really helps me out. It only takes a second, and it helps you to promote my videos a little bit more. And don't forget to turn the notification bell on and make sure you double tap it and it's on all. That way you get notified for all of my future videos and my giveaways. I have some more coming up. Alright, guys, please stay blessed, stay healthy, try to stay cool in this hot weather that we're having, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to check out my Instagram. Alright, bye.